Alright, folks. Hey, look at this old stranger. And look at that old stranger. We're back. Man, it's been a hot minute, hadn't it? Jeez. But anyway, thank you everybody for sticking in there with us while we got back to some fishing. You know, my old buddy Manchild, he's a farmer on the side. No, not on the side. For a living. Yeah. Well, a farmer on the side from fishing. How about that? Let's go with that. So, you know, my man here, he's busy. He's real busy on the weekends and
it's
stuff.
cold now.
Yeah, and now it's cold and it's not that much fun.
I'll be back in April.
And we've been actually getting a winter around here in Texas now. It's kind of weird. But anyway, guys, been a little busy through the weeks. Been fishing some local tournaments around the Waco area. That's been kind of tough on me. But anyway, so I've been kind of chilling out on Saturdays and stuff, just taking, Sunday and Saturday. Past few weeks, just taking it easy. But anyway, guys, back on Whitney this morning. So, you know, we hear the lake is fishing pretty good out here. It is a good winter lake. Got plenty of rock, nice warm spots for the fish. So anyway, I think we're going to get over here and try to start off with a little bit of cranking this morning. We'll see if we can get that to do something. But anyway, thank y'all so much for hanging in there. Thank you for coming back and watching. So let's go over here and get to work. Oh, please let that fish be there. What happened?
It's been a rough hour and a half.
Yeah, it has. Doggone it. Got him.
We got a fish on.
Finally. And it's a good one. Yeah, finally. Oh, there are fish in this lake. Gee whiz. Dang, that sucker's chunky. He's not a long fish, but he's girthy.
Yeah. What does that feel like?
Man, it feels pretty awesome. Here, you want to touch it? Feel him. Poor Jason. Hey, he's pretty warm too, man. All right, thank you, fish. Well, I'm not greedy. I feel good now, but it would be nice to start whacking them. Thank you, fish. All right. Well, we ain't caught them cranking, so Jason and I started plastic fishing again. So that took a good, solid hour and a half, I guess, Jason? Is that right? Yeah, or 2 hours? Eesh. All right, let's do this. There had to be something on this point somewhere. No, he's, man. Dude, he left it alone. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, this is a good one, Jason. It's a good one. Oh my gosh, look at that fat. Oh my gosh, can you get the net? Dude, it's huge. It's 6 or 7 pounds. Can you lip it? I bet you can lip it. My gosh. No, I'm light. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord, look at the black on that fish. Look at the line on him. Golly, that's pretty. Oh my gosh.
Do you like your price?
Is it 6?
Man, he might be pushing it.
Oh, well, he's kind of light, isn't he?
Yeah, he didn't feel it heavy. He ain't been eating nothing.
No, he ain't been feeding good. Look at the beautiful black marks on that fish.
I know, I've seen that.
Golly, that black line is beautiful. Woo-wee! Is the scale in there? Yeah, it should be in the glove box. Oh man, that's a nice fish. Pretty fish, man. caught one with dark lines on it like that in a long time. It sure is light though.
I think it might be 4.5.
It's got a good body. He just ain't got no weight. It appears to be a big male.
482.
482?
Mm-hmm. Almost 5.
Yeah, that's not too shabby. Yeah, he needs to pack on some pounds.
It's a pretty fish though.
Yeah, it is. It's gorgeous fish.
That might
Love those dark lines.
That might be the one that slammed you a minute ago.
Maybe so. Oh, it's a pretty fish. Old Manchild picks the spots.
You know what? Let me switch sides with you.
Oh, you want to get down here?
Well, you're all right. You want to be a hanger?
Sure.
Good stuff.
Thanks, bro. Good spot you picked. All right, big buddy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Go get some weight on you. He'll be a 6-pounder someday and be done with it. Got him. Oh, he come off. Dang it. What the devil? How'd he do that? Old Manchild picking them spots, baby. He's just real mean. Oh, he's fat. That's a nice fatty. He's chunky. We like him. Oh. Slow go, man. God. Yeah.
Telling me.
He's fat. Poor Jason, I think. Oh, dang it. Nope, I guess not. Fish on.
Finally.
This is my boy. It's a keeper. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. Woo! Get that sucker in the boat.
Great. Hey.
That's a very nice fish, Jay.
He's still got a lot of spots.
Oh yeah. He's very
That's a no shoot you and you are going nowhere. All right, we can leave now. Good grief.
Got the skunk and the funk off. Good job, bro. Nice keeper.
Finally.
Stay on there. Uh-oh. There he is. Oh, that's a decent one too. Yeah. Hey, that's a nice fish. I would live well that sucker. Woo! Well, this afternoon sunshine's got him fired up, doesn't it? Come on, guy. Look at the belly on that rascal. He's been getting fat for winter. Yeah, boy! Get you some. Alright, y'all, so I'm filming the outro to the video the next day. As Jason and I got done, I forgot to do it, and then when we come up the ramp, we got to go see our very good friends, Bonnie and JT. That's Justin Turnage, JT's Crappie Cave. He's hanging out at Lake Whitney. They've been camping out, so we went by and got to see them for about an hour or so and visit. Always good to stop by and see them. And if you haven't watched their channel yet, do yourself a favor. Go to JT's Crappie Cave and give them some support. It's got a great channel. They fish constantly. It makes me very jealous, but you know, they do really good, and it's a lot of fun. They're great people. So anyway, Jason and I, the old Manchild, you know, we had a okay day, very slow. Whitney was very calm, but you know, got a few good fish. Everything was keeper that we did get a hold of. So anyways, we'll just turn around and hopefully get another crack at it here in about a weekend. And anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for coming back and watching the channel, and we'll see you real soon. Take care, everybody.